guys, so I am leaving for Europe in about 2 hours and I'm not packed yet. All this stuff is here, I just need to actually put it in my bag. So when I'm stressed, what better thing is there to do than film a video? It's a huge mess here. I don't know how you guys are gonna see this. Maybe I can lift this up, hold on. This is the state of the suitcase. It's a huge mess, it's super heavy. And then I have my backpack also. So I'm gonna be kind of backpacking around Europe. I'm staying in places a little longer. That's the plan. I'm just gonna go through, show you guys everything I'm bringing. Oh my gosh. Let's just start with clothes, I guess. Taking everything out first, at least of my clothes side. So we'll start with what I'm wearing on the plane. I'm wearing black linen pants, black long sleeve shirt, and this Ferrari sweatshirt. It's like some of the only merch that I'm bringing because I am going to the F1 race in the middle of my trip. And then in terms of all the rest of the clothes, I'm just going to get started and try to run through it pretty fast. This is the other piece of merch I'm bringing. Charles Leclerc Eras Tour shirt. Actually, I'm going to start at the bottom. So I'm only bringing 2 pairs of pants, just that one linen pants and then these white jeans. It's supposed to be pretty hot there, so I just figured I would pack for the weather and not bring a ton of long anything. I'm also bringing these khaki shorts, 2 pairs of athletic shorts, so these light ones and these black ones, these gray shorts, and then I have a skirt as well in this little compression bag. I'm kind of switching between packing cubes and compression bags. This is the skirt, just a plain black mini skirt. I guess I'll go through everything else I have in here too. I have this brown and white long sleeve shirt, this purple stretchy dress, this little like knit polo type, and this just plain black athletic shirt. Then I'll put the skirt back in there. So I try to put stuff in here that is not going to wrinkle when I shove it all in. It really annoys me to see everyone packing cute and then I'm like, well, you're missing half of the practical stuff that you need. Or then they're just like staying in hotels. I'm staying in a hostel and then in Airbnbs. I also have food allergies, so that's another thing that factors into my packing. I will go through all my food later, but it's just another one of the things where I'm trying to be realistic about that. I can't just always go out and eat out. Now I guess we're on to tops. So I have this black button up. It's a staple, it always travels with me. I guess I never really said where I'm going on my trip, so today I'm flying to Nice, France. I'm going to be staying in the south of France and Monaco for a week-ish, and then I'm going on to Milan, so I'll be in Milan and around there for a month, but I'll be going in and out, hoping to see Venice, Switzerland, Rome, just trying to do a bunch of trips from there. I'm also bringing this white square neck top, this little sports bra crop top, this tank top, and then I have a couple like nicer shirts. I have this linen top, this little vest, it's like a halter, it's super cute. I'm excited to wear it. This halter tank, which way? There we go. I have this little like romper jumpsuit thing. It's like athletic too. I don't know if I'll be able to run in it. I also have this silky dress that can also be tucked into like pants or shorts and become a top. And I'm running out of room on this side of my suitcase. It's okay though. I'm like treating myself with the space to bring this little pajama set that I just got. I mean, it's small at least, but definitely not necessary. Okay, that's it for clothes in the packing cube, I believe. So I'm gonna zip this up. So this packing cube, it's a little bigger than the space that I'm giving it, so I packed it like in its space and hopefully it'll keep everything in the right shape. Yeah, that's like it'll work, hopefully. In this space, I also have my socks and underwear in another cube. I think I brought 7 pairs of each. I know people always differ on how many pairs of underwear to bring, but I'm like, I'll do laundry, so that doesn't matter. Also, here's my towel kit because I will be going to hostels and going to the beach, so I need to have a towel. I also, where did my bikini go? I have some bras and my bikini, and then that's almost it for this side. I don't know if I can fit anything else, but I do have a couple more nice outfits and then my raincoat to fit in here. So I was hoping to bring this dress, but it is gonna be the first thing to go if it doesn't fit. I also have this black one shoulder jumpsuit that I thought would just be like nice and plain, but perfect for any special thing we do, like going out to a nice dinner, or my parents and I are planning on going to the opera when they arrive in Milan. Also have my raincoat. I'm gonna hold off on putting that in. So now we're gonna switch to the other side of my suitcase, which is a huge mess right now. I'm just gonna have to pull everything out of here and start from. I was pretty confident that I could fit my clothes, but this side is another story. Alright. I gotta like mentally prepare for this one. So first thing, I have sneakers. This one has an umbrella in it, and I should shove something else inside here too. The other shoe has a poncho and friendship bracelets for the F1 race. So that goes on the other side. And then I also have these heels. I also have this straightener that I bought in the UK, so I will have to convert from UK to EU. I have this tripod. I think I'll put this in my backpack though. Have the Ferrari flag, of course, for the race. I guess I'll just throw in food because that stuff is a little heavy. So I have a ton of chicken packets. This is kind of a staple for me when I'm traveling because of my allergies. I a lot of times will bring dehydrated food, put some chicken packets in or dehydrated meat, and then I'll have that as my like dinner on the day that I'm not going out. I can't just like get takeout everywhere, so bring that. Then dehydrated food, I have, well, starting off for breakfast I just have oats and peanut butter protein powder. So that's like, I think I brought like 7 days of this. So that's what I'll have for the first several days, and then once we get to our Airbnb that we're there long term, then I can shop and everything. Dehydrated food, I have, this is dal, risotto, sweet potato stew, and this is like a, I don't remember, some sort of curry, I think. And with those I'm going to throw in my vitamins, and I have a Costco pack of liquid IV. This is like, I think 18, I took a lot of it out. I'll probably have this for the first several days and then just have extras for the rest of the time. I'll definitely have it over race weekend. I try not to have it every day, but sometimes it is that way. On my last trip, I got there and there were oats everywhere in my suitcase. So I'm trying to not have it end up that way again. I guess we're moving on to like, I have this kitchen kit. This is basically my kitchen. So I have this metal cup that I use for heating up water. I have this immersion heater. It's like a metal coil. You plug in and then it heats up, you can heat up water, and then that's how I do all the dehydrated food and utensils. This peanut butter, like, it's for emergencies only. I should be able to buy peanut butter there, but sometimes it's hard to find. So that's my kitchen. Next I have this little bag. This is for Morgan. She left it here after our last trip. So I'm gonna put that in here. I also have these Kind bars. I believe this is 10 of them. These are special. They're kind of hard to find. I didn't find them when I was in the UK. So I'm bringing 10 now, and that should be enough for at least until my parents get there. I have this phone waterproof thingy, and then also I have this strap phone case for being in pickpocket cities, and then also for the race weekend. This is seriously like an extreme game of packing. I thought my last trip was bad, but this has turned out to be way harder packing wise, trying to fit everything. I mean, that was only 2 weeks. This is 5 weeks. Okay, I have this sheet bag because last time I went to the hostel and all they had was a comforter, but the pillow was flat, and I really need a pillow and less so need a blanket. So I used the comforter as a pillow, and then I literally slept without anything. This time, bringing a sheet bag, it's kind of big, but I think it's necessary. I will also have a pillowcase that I put like a jacket in or something, but I don't have that right now, so I need to get that before. I said I was going to be checking things off. I haven't been checking things off. I guess I'll do makeup. So this is my little makeup bag. I tried to cut down. This is like my essentials. I could go with less, but we're going to be dressing up sometimes, so hoping to use all of it at least. What is in here? sunscreen, hairspray mousse, one laundry detergent, setting spray, mouthwash, hand lotion. I also have another liquids bag because I'm going for so long. I needed to bring like the bigger sizes of things. So I have perfume, deodorant, hand gel, more sunscreen, and swim ear for when I'm swimming. I absolutely hate having water in my ears, so I will not be dealing with that. I have hair wax as well. Okay, I have some makeup remover wipes. I just brought like an almost empty bag. I have this purse. This is gonna be my like everyday purse for like basically the whole trip. I'm not gonna bring any safer bag. Like I have a bag that's slash proof and that has clips on the zippers and everything. I'm pretty confident that I can keep this safe. So I'm gonna put this in here. I just like this one because it goes pretty flat, but it's also nice enough to like wear out. I'm really pushing the limits of this suitcase. I decided to borrow my dad's suitcase because he just got a new one that's like marginally bigger than mine previously. I'm also bringing some random plastic bags because they don't do plastic bags there, or you have to pay for them or something. I don't remember, but I feel like, you know, if you're going to the beach or whatever, you're gonna need a plastic bag at some point. I also have this tote bag. You can never have enough bags, I feel like, when you're traveling, because especially you get there, then your stuff explodes into like 5 bags instead of just the 2. So I also have this little bag. This I think will probably be my dirty clothes bag. Okay, just gonna throw this on top because I will need it probably just about immediately when I get there. The clothes are looking good, like they're not too big, but the rest of it is a little iffy. This is like seriously expert level packing. So let me show you what we're working with at the moment. Here's where we're at. It's all fitting, I think. And I think it's gonna close. Oh crap. I forgot my race bag. This is gonna be like my other daily bag, so if I need to bring a little more than that purse, I think maybe if I just put this right in between, that might work out. So let me try to close this. It may be bent a little bit, but that sounds like success to me. So I'm gonna try my best to not bust this open. Definitely that pink dress is not gonna fit, so I will try to put it into my backpack, and then if it doesn't fit in there, I just won't bring it. Where? Okay, we're gonna move on to the backpack. Put it here so you can admire my success. Oh, this is heavy. So this is gonna have all of my electronics and everything. So in this computer pouch in the back, I have my heatless curls rod. I also have this strap, which I'm gonna put around the suitcase because I really don't want it to bust open. That would be really sad on a brand new suitcase. I mean, it's not the suitcase's first trip, it's its second trip, but I would still feel really bad. Also, back here I'm gonna put my laptop. The heatless curls rod kind of pads it so it doesn't get hurt if I like put my backpack down too hard. In the outside pocket here I have my water bottle. I'm bringing a Nalgene water bottle this time. I also forgot to show you in my little backpack I have a rain cover for it, and then also a rolling water bottle just so it's like packable. And I got a new one because my last one, it had a hole in it and got all over my stuff last trip. So this is a new addition. I got these reef sandals. My goal was to have sandals with a back strap that can go in the water because the beaches in France are rocky, a lot of them. So that's why I got reef sandals. So this is their like maiden voyage. They're going on the bottom. This is just a North Face computer backpack, and that is a Travel Pro, not sure what it's called, but Travel Pro something. Also at the bottom I'm going to put this sheet bag. Okay, now we're on to electronics. I think that's basically what everything else is. Well, I have my hat, so I have a Ferrari hat and a McLaren hat. Those are both necessities. I guess we'll go through the outer pocket. So in here I will keep probably my passport, but I also have some extra earplugs, gum, a lens cleaning cloth, a glasses case, hand lotion, and hand gel. I'm gonna put my wallet in there too. So that's gonna go out here, I guess. And the next pocket in has this little skincare kit that my dad got on business class. I love using it. It has a couple uses in it, so I brought it on my last trip too. Sharpie and a pen. I should probably bring one more pen because this pen is crappy. I have another thing of gum and a expandable shopping bag. Some masks because I wear those on the plane. This is my sleeping kit, so this has earplugs and an eye mask. And all of my locks, which are super heavy. So I have my big hustle lock, medium one, and then these two luggage locks. Also, this suitcase has a lock on it. I don't know what the code is though, I'll have to ask about that. So then on the inside I have this tech bag. So this has my portable charger, 2 plug converters, my laptop charger, and a mouse. Oh my gosh, how is this gonna fit? Okay, camera. This is my GoPro stuff, so GoPro mounts, camera batteries, chargers, camera lenses. This is my like essentials kit, so it has like another expandable bag, a little deodorant, some medicine, and a hairbrush. So my migraine glasses. I have this little notebook that I got in Italy last time, a book, some headphones, and then this is my other like chargers, so phone chargers, my vlog camera chargers that's what I'm filming on. This is my little toiletries, so regular toothbrush. What else is in here? Toothpaste. And then a little hat. This bag's gonna go in there as well. And that's it, so, and tissues. But now I'm getting a little more stressed because I need this to fit in here in less than an hour and a half. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but hopefully, wish me luck. I hope this was entertaining for you watching me struggle. But yeah, I will see you guys later.